Alright, let's check out waves. So one of you asked me to cover this altcoin, so let's check out what's going on with the chart. Now, I've never actually heard of waves before. I checked out this on CoinMarketCap. Apparently it's rank number 30. It's got a pretty high market cap as well. And also if we look at this in the macro perspective, previous all-time high around about the $42. And we've basically had a massive explosion out of the previous all-time high. Volume confirmed break above the all-time high, so waves looks very nice. Congratulations if you are in waves already. But would I be looking to FOMO into this after this massive green rocket candle to the upside? I personally wouldn't. Like, I'm not looking to FOMO into this after it has had basically what has this done. So from all the way down here at $7, this has done over a 7x in the past. Let's see how long this is, because this is very parabolic. I mean, 69 days we've gone up over a 7x from the previous all-time high. I mean, this entered like a bear market all the way down here. This is almost a year's worth of bearish data, 300 days coming close to a year, and we just invalidated everything in 69 days, 2 months. So what I'd be looking for this, like I said, I'm not looking to FOMO into this during this massive candle. If you are already in this, best of luck to you, but we do have a solid area of support down here at the previous all-time high at the $42. We do also have a double fib, the first one being at the all-time high, second one if we draw from the low in the mid to micro term down here before this massive parabolic rally, all the way up to the local top so far at $64. We've got a 382 Fibonacci double fib down here. So I just drew this in, but this is actually green because this is obviously support. So look, if you aren't in waves already, personally, obviously none of my videos are financial advice. I wouldn't be FOMOing into this right now because it has done a 7x. The market cap is almost 6 billion. So I would just not be looking to FOMO in right now. I mean, I do not buy cryptos that have solidly smashed above 70 on the RSI. The RSI is at 90 right now. So if I was looking to buy this, if I really wanted to, which personally, like I said, I'm not looking to buy this unless we have a retest of the all-time high, this is what I'd need to see. I'd need to see a correction, assuming this was a local top, coming down, back testing the previous all-time high, round about the $42, and then I'd be entering round about the 42. I think entering around the 42, if we have a strong bounce, especially if it's confirmed with volume, that would be very nice. But as a general rule of thumb, I think this is going to keep going up. I am kind of iffy on whether this could be the local top, which is why personally I'm not looking to enter after we have exploded on this. But if you were in this rally, congratulations. We definitely have the volume to confirm this uptrend. I mean, we haven't seen volume like this since all the way back here when we had our first push up to the all-time high. So look, we could keep on going up. I'm not saying that we can't just keep on exploding, but for me, market cap is very high. The risk adjusted returns of this is just personally not worth it to me. I mean, we've already hit the first Fibonacci extension. You can see if we draw from the previous all-time high to the bottom, the first Fibonacci extension being all the way up here at the 1.618, $64. So we've already hit our first Fibonacci extension target. So for this to come up to the 1.618, come back down, back test the previous all-time high, double back test this double fib region, and then have a strong push up, I think that would be a very nice place to enter a trade. But like I said, we would need to see that back test, at least for me. You can do what you want. Obviously none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you to join this trade with me. This is just personally how I would plan on navigating the markets if I was looking to enter a position on waves. I'd need to see a back test of the 42. If that never happens, obviously good luck to all of you that are in. If you're looking for the next hopium price target, 2.618 Fibonacci is all the way up here at 97, which if we were to extrapolate from where we are now, 77% increase. But like I said, we've broken above the all-time high. We barely back tested this all-time high, and we just headed straight up to the 1.618 Fibonacci really. So I'm not looking to FOMO into this. If you are, best of luck. Even if we look at this on the 4 hourly, we never back tested the all-time high. We just broke above it, closed a 4 hourly candle, and then just started to head off to the moon. I mean, if we come down to the hourly, even on the hourly, we never back tested it. I mean, we just shot through it, closed an hourly candle, went up, closed another hourly, and then just continued with the rally. So We never back tested the all-time high. We smashed through it, came up to the 1.618 Fibonacci. So I would, if you had a gun to my head saying what I think's going to happen, I would assume this was the local top, but I could be wrong. This can continue to rally. This can rally all the way up to the 2.618 Fibonacci, in my opinion, at $97. But like I said, the risk-adjusted returns for this just aren't worth it. The market cap is too high for this to go up another 70% with the market cap around 6 billion. You know, I don't want to do the maths, but you know, you're adding another couple of billion at least to this. So once again, I'm not looking to FOMO. It looks good, don't get me wrong. The volume is definitely confirming this breakout, so we may never even backtest the 42. We may go all the way up to 97 and then come back test the 1.618 at $63, $64. But yeah, like I said, it looks good. Best of luck if you are in this. If I was looking to enter this, backtest the 42, strong bounce, then I'd be entering. So that's all I see for waves. Best of luck if you are in waves. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion on the market. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.